I wanted to lift my lashes from home, so I got this lash lift set from Amazon, and I was completely amazed by my results and my mom's results because she let me do her lashes as well. It comes with everything you possibly need, including applicators and spoolies. They also add a skin barrier cream and a couple of these under eye patches so you can keep the bottom eyelashes out of the way while you're working on the top ones. They also give you some combs and some tools to really help you set your eyelashes to the perfect place. Now you're going to have to choose one of the following lift pads. They're each a different size and they're each going to give you a different kind of volume and curl. I went with the S and so did my mom, and we really liked that one. That one is going to give you the most volume and the most curl. It looked incredible and the results lasted for weeks. And here is the order you're going to use the products in. You're going to first start with the perm glue, this little tube right here. This is going to be placed onto the lift pad, and then you're going to pluck up all your little eyelashes and make sure they stick to the pad before applying the number 1 perm. After 10 to 15 minutes of leaving that to set in your eye, preferably with a plastic wrap over it, you can go ahead and move on to number 2, which is fixation. Again, 10 to 12 minutes with a plastic covering the eyes. After that, you can go ahead and cleanse. You're going to wash your eyes out. You have the cleanser right here. You can also use that to help clean everything out. And then lastly, you have nutrition to help really give back all the nutrients to your eyelashes. I absolutely love this set. I did it by myself, one eye at a time, and they both turn out just equally as impeccable. And I also did it at my mom's eyes twice, right? So 2 at a time, and they looked incredible as well. So check this out, whether you're doing it on someone else or yourself, it truly works and the results are incredible and they last for weeks. I truly recommend this product. It looks super fresh.